Hello, lovely people. There are so many fun things happening in the CSS world at the moment. So I want to see what might be coming soon to an inbox near you. So I'm trying out a few things. Here I'm looking at CSS random. This will generate a random number within a given range. Now, looking at the MDM page here, we can see a great example generating a random height, width, background color, and rotation on a div. So I wanted to try this out in email, and I built this fun little demo we can take a look at. So here I've built a simple little fruit machine that will come up with a random result each time you open it. So for the purposes of this demo, I have two identical emails and I'm just switching between them so you can see the random results, but generally you just have sent somebody one email. Now the way this works, the magic behind it all, is just this one little line here. I'm using a background image with 6 email logos, then using random to generate the vertical background position between 1em and 6em with a 1em integer. Now the whole email comes in at just over 1 kilobyte, so that's pretty small. It's quite impressive. It's because it's just that one little piece of magic that we need. I was hoping to be able to use maybe use style queries or something to check the values and do something fun when they all line up. So if they all line up, then we get some kind of winning screen. But unfortunately, style queries don't work like that. They're not looking at the computed value, which is what I would need. We could probably do something clever with calc and overflow if we really wanted, sort of similar to the Fab4 technique that Rémi Parmentier created, if you're familiar with that. So what is support like in email clients? This is only supported in WebKit currently, but that does mean it is supported in the latest versions of Apple Mail. It doesn't work on my iPhone because it's an iPhone 10, so it's too old to get the latest version, annoyingly. It might work on some webmail if they're opened in Safari, but generally it's pretty small. However, this is a fun progressive enhancement. It doesn't use much code. It's quite quick and self-explanatory. It's not overly complicated. It's just understanding the random formatting, and then you can just add it in as a progressive enhancement. If you're doing something fun anyway, just adding in this extra little Easter egg could be quite cool. But yeah, have a play, see what you think, and let me know how you got on. Cheers.